Welcome to the Finances. Money Matters, the podcast where we talk about all things related to finance and investment. Today, we shall continue with the episode 6. In this episode, we shall share with you how to negotiate your salary and benefits with your employer. Here are the next steps and tips to guide you through the process. Number 5, conduct the negotiation professionally and respectfully. During the negotiation, you should maintain a positive and respectful attitude and tone. You should start by expressing your appreciation and enthusiasm for your job and your employer. You should then state your salary and benefits request and explain why you deserve it, using facts and evidence to support your case. You should also highlight your value and contributions to the organization and how they align with its goals and vision. You should avoid making ultimatums, threats, or comparisons with other employees, as they can damage your relationship and reputation. You should also listen actively and attentively to your employer's response and perspective and try to understand their needs and constraints. You should aim for a win-win outcome that benefits both parties and fosters trust and collaboration. Number 6, negotiate and evaluate the offer. After you present your request and hear your employer's response, you should negotiate and evaluate the offer. You should not accept or reject the offer immediately, but ask for some time to think about it and review it in detail. You should compare the offer with your goals and priorities and see if it meets your expectations and needs. You should also consider the total compensation package, not just the salary, and weigh the pros and cons of each benefit. If the offer is satisfactory, you can accept it and express your gratitude and excitement. If the offer is unsatisfactory, you can reject it politely and explain your reasons. Alternatively, you can make a counteroffer and propose a different salary or benefit that is more acceptable to you and your employer. You should be prepared to walk away from the negotiation if the offer is below your minimum or does not match your value. Thank you for listening to the Finances Money Matters. We shall continue with the next episode, and we hope you learned something valuable today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our podcast, leave us a review, and share it with your friends. See you in the next episode.